Good morning, guys. It's Friday and look at the sky. Is it trying? It's beautiful. Beautiful sky, stunning. The color, look at that, it's so beautiful. Let's walk in. Lovely. That's a good thing when you walk early in the morning, guys. Look how beautiful it is. Nobody. Konti lang tao dito. Kanina pulang-pula yan, hindi ko siya naabutan. Nag-walk pa ako kasi kagigising ko lang. It's 5:45 in the morning, guys. Look. We are lucky. It's a spring. Very lucky tayo. Hello, train. Ayan, walk lang tayo, guys. I just want to see the sunrise. Mga siguro 30 minutes pa yan bago lalabas talaga yung sun. As you can see, is red. It's on fire. Beautiful. It's a beautiful day. Enjoy your Friday, guys. Enjoy. This is it. Saan ka pa? Saan kayo niya? Ang ganda-ganda ng weather. The sky is so beautiful. Ayan na, look at that. Guys, look at that. It's really spring because the dandelion is now flowering. So this area is all the dandelion. Oh, beautiful. Pak. Ayan, ito pa. Beautiful. Ayan. Ang ganda rin, oh. Nice. Ayan guys, palabas na yung si Mr. Sun.